What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel where I help you get gooder at life. I'm super excited today to tell you how I blew it and went from having 20,000 subscribers to 200 subscribers on YouTube. Let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how I got 20,000 subscribers, how and why my page actually blew up. I just might even share if I regret quitting. Stay tuned to the end of this video because not only are you going to get value from this if you're debating starting a YouTube channel up, or if you already have a YouTube channel, this video also talks about how this can relate to life and some of the lessons that I learned from this. Let's go! Also, stay tuned for the awkward wave at the end. It's really weird. Let's just get right into it. I was the original Madden YouTuber. That's right, I was the very first person ever to make Madden videos on YouTube. If you don't know what Madden is a video game, football, it's fun. I was actually so OG that I filmed with a video camera just sitting on like the arm of my chair that I played in, and I just recorded the TV all the time. It was super low budget. The reason I started recording videos was actually because I was sick of getting cheated in Madden. So many people, especially in the top 100, they would do some really shady things online, and my goal was to expose them and put them on YouTube and get them kicked off, and maybe I'd jump up in the leaderboards or whatever. Just to give you a little perspective, I was a top 100 player in the world, so my ranking was 23rd, and I was #1 in Canada for a year. It was pretty cool. Is that cool? I don't really know, but I played a lot. So I started pumping videos out, and before you knew it, I was like, oh man, I got like 10 subscribers. This is like really crazy. And people were like really hyped about it. They're like, I can't believe someone's posting videos on YouTube about Madden. This is so crazy. I just started pumping out more and more videos, and before you knew it, I bought a PVR. I had like 1,000 subscribers in maybe 5 or 6 months. It was really crazy how quickly my page blew up. I'm not gonna dig too deep into everything that I learned, but I'm actually doing an interview with my new buddy Tim Rose on his YouTube channel, so if you do want to hear some more information about that, he's going to be posting that soon, so you can check his link out down below. So the reason that my page kind of blew up is I had about 7 viral videos, which means I had about 500,000 to 2 million views for those 7 videos. The reason that these videos went viral is because not only was I playing Madden and crushing really high level opponents, but I was doing pranks at the same time while I was on the Xbox controller, so it was super fun. Alright, all you snoops, I know you want to know how much money did I make. Back then, you didn't actually get paid through YouTube because they weren't owned by Google. You actually got paid through a third party. So I got signed by Machinima Sports, and what ended up happening was for all the advertising, Machinima Sports took a large chunk of the money, YouTube took a large chunk of the money, and left me with like that much. On average, I got paid $2 for every 1,000 views which I received. Cool. It wasn't a lot. Compared to what YouTube and Machinima Sports were making, I was literally making pennies on the dollar. It was super frustrating. The interesting thing about it all was the people that I met. So obviously when my page started blowing up, I got some really strange requests. One of the craziest situations that I had is this one guy wanted to play Xbox with me, so he offered $200 US to play, which is a lot of money for Canadians, and all we did was play Madden for an hour, and he sent me like 250 bucks Canadian just to hang out with him and play Madden. Crazy! I ended up having just about 110 videos finished when I decided to call it quits. Why did I quit? Well, there's a couple of things. The first reason is I started teaching, and I wanted to really do a good job with my students, and I really wanted to become a really good teacher, and I knew that I would need more time to dedicate to teaching. I didn't have lesson plans, I had nothing when you start off. So I put all of my time into teaching and coaching, which was a lot of time. Not only that, but I was frustrated with my contract, so since I was one of the first people to get a contract with Machinima Sports, wouldn't you know it, I signed a 7-year deal. And fun fact, YouTube started to pay a lot more money for YouTube videos, and I was locked into this contract, and to me that really frustrated me. The people that had way less subscribers and views and all that good stuff, they were making like double of what I was making. Jealousy is tough. The biggest reason, and this is something that we can apply to our life, is I burnt out because my videos were not authentic to who I was as a person, and that really affected me. And it was really frustrating because the videos that I did where I went viral and all these pranking videos were honestly like super exhausting and not necessarily nice to the other Xbox players that I had. And I was really looking forward to like kind of growing up and growing out of that phase of my life. I don't think I've really grown up that much, but still, I was hoping to try and grow up as much as I could. But basically, me not being authentic to who I was really led to me burning out. It made me lose the joy for making videos, and that's essentially why I quit. Do I regret quitting? No. I do regret quitting just a little bit. The reason why is people that had less subscribers than me, like only 5,000 subscribers at the time, they now have over 1 million subscribers, which is insane to think about. That's so crazy to think about. However, I am a glass half full type of person. So for me, quitting YouTube, it really helped me improve other areas of my life, and it gave me free time to build other skills, such as becoming a magician, becoming a coach, and becoming a good teacher, getting a wife, having a kid. It freed up more time for me to get gooder at other things in life, which helped me out in life. I talk about finances on this channel all the time, and honestly, if I didn't quit YouTube for a while, I probably wouldn't have been able to develop my skills in magic, which is huge for generating extra income for me and my family. I really hope that you guys are getting value from this video and that you're enjoying the content. If you are, please smash that like button until it turns a ravishing blue color. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I deliver new videos to you, which is only going to help you get better in life. So the biggest life lesson from this is you actually want to do things in life that are going to be impactful. And I love making videos for my subscribers and for my students to honestly help you improve your life and learn from my mistakes and really have the most full life that you can have and make good life decisions, life goals, financial decisions, and everything like that, and do some magic on the way.
Yawn.
So the main point from this is stay authentic to you or you potentially will burn out. If you live a life that's not who you truly are, it's super exhausting. If you're in high school and you're just like, man, I have to pretend that I like loud cars and riding snowmobiles all the time, which was me, it's exhausting and it's not fun to pretend that you're somebody that you're not. Be authentic to who you are, and in the long run, that's only going to benefit you. If I just stuck to making Madden videos and did things that really truly made me happy, and I made the videos in a way that was more authentic to me, I probably wouldn't have burnt out, and I probably would have stuck to it. It's the same thing in life. If you picked a career that you truly didn't love, well, you should quit, and you should actually go and do something that you're going to love. So actually go and find what's a realistic top 3 job that you could get, and go and get it. Go and research it, and go and find out exactly what you need to do to get that job and crush it and literally enjoy the next 30-40 years of your life doing that job, because hey, I get up for work and I'm genuinely super excited and passionate to work and do this type of thing. Anyways, it's time for me to sign off, so I just want to say thanks for watching and have an awesome and swell day.